everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Amazon Basics electric keyboard, specifically their 88-key semi-weighted digital piano. This instrument is designed to offer a realistic playing experience, especially for those just starting out or looking for an affordable full-size keyboard. One of the standout features is definitely the 88 semi-weighted keys. The description highlights that these keys provide an authentic piano touch. They're designed with a quick rebound and require less effort compared to fully weighted keys, which can make playing for longer periods more comfortable and feel more natural, especially for beginners whose fingers might not be as strong yet. Having the full 88 keys is crucial for anyone wanting to learn classical pieces or explore the full range of a piano. For audio, the keyboard comes equipped with 2 built-in speakers, allowing you to play right out of the box. It also features a 1/4-inch audio output. This is really useful if you want to connect it to external amplifiers or larger speakers for a bigger sound, whether you're practicing in a larger room or perhaps even performing in a small setting. The sound library is quite extensive for a keyboard in this category. It boasts 140 different tones, giving you a wide variety of instrument sounds to experiment with, from grand pianos to organs, strings, and more. Complementing the tones are 200 rhythms, covering diverse music styles. Plus, there are 16 demonstration songs built in, which can be great for listening or even trying to play along with. This versatility means you're not just limited to piano sounds. You can explore different genres and textures. Learning features are a big focus here, making it very beginner-friendly. It includes automatic chords, which can help new players understand harmony. The beginner split keyboard function is fantastic, allowing a teacher and student to play the same notes in the same octave range simultaneously on different halves of the keyboard. There's also a dual timbre function, letting you layer 2 sounds together. All these features are easily navigated using the clear LED display. It really provides a supportive environment for practice and learning. The package also includes essential accessories like a sustain pedal, which is vital for realistic piano playing, and the necessary power supply. The product is also listed as portable, which is a nice bonus if you need to move it around your home or take it to lessons. Overall, the Amazon Basics 88-key semi-weighted digital piano seems like a very compelling option for anyone seeking a full-size keyboard on a budget. It packs in features like semi-weighted keys, a good sound library, and strong educational tools, making it a solid choice for beginners and students looking for a comfortable and versatile instrument to start their musical journey.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.